digestive system of the amoeba. We have already started with the amoeba. We have done the general structure of the amoeba, habitats, general structure, and today we will do the digestive system of the amoeba. Amoeba. Now, the digestive system is consist of 3-4 portions that I have already told you all the in my previous lecture. First is the ingestion. First is the nutrition. Sorry. First part is nutrition. Nutrition is nutrition is what type of food they take. और एक चीज सारे देख लो कि अपने को लिखना है हर शब्द जड़ा मैं बोल रही हूँ. Nutrition is what type of food they take. They are the carnivorous and they are saprophytic. And holozoic means they take the total food and they algae, fungi, the small food like कोई भी जानवर है उसके छोटे छोटे pieces, such type of food they take. ठीक है? That is nutrition. That is holozoic. They take the total that part engulfed in one stretch. ਸਾਡੇ ਵੰਗਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਰੋਟੀ ਤੋੜ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੂੰਹ 'ਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਗਰਾਈ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਖਾਣੀ, ਮਤਲਬ ਪੂਰੀ ਐਨਗਲਫ ਕਰਨੀ ਇਨ ਸਿੰਗਲ. ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਦਾ holozoic. Next is ingestion. Ingestion portion means ingestion is intake of food. First is food, then intake of the food. That is the typical one with this amoeba. They have 3-4 types how they take the food inside the body, because it is a unicellular, means it is made up of one cell. So they take food from outside to inside. They have ingestion like glucose food as well as amino acid that they take through diffusion, means बाहरों खाना पानी चिरांदे हैं, खाना अंदर चला जाएगा सीधा ही. That is called the diffusion. Which food they take through diffusion? Which is a simple food, that is glucose and amino acids. Like proteins. Amino acids, they are made up of, they form the proteins. Proteins they can't take it by diffusion method क्योंकि बड़े होंगे वो size. Amino acid single है, they can take it directly. Glucose, that is a smaller unit. साढ़े अंदर भी जरा सी खाना खाने हैं, that is changed into glucose. So that glucose is also taken by the method of diffusion. Now other methods, interesting methods, how they take the food. First is they take the food, ingestion food by the circumambulation. First method is circumambulation. Now I am talking now about the complex food. That is simple food is taken by the diffusion. Now complex food which is taken by the first part is circumambulation. Ambulation मतलब किंदा इधर पंजाबी में मतलब देखा जाए केरा पाके मारना. Circum means and दोनों सारा circle करना. Ambulation means wrapping. Clear? You can write the meaning of this circumambulation. Now this is the food. This is with the active prey. Active means which is living one. They take the food. How they take? When this food touches with it. किथे body wall ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. Plasma membrane. At that there is starts the invagination. This process, मान लो ਇੱਥੇ खाना आया, it starts folding. ठीक है? इन्हें हम fold करना शुरू कर देना. In the next step, you can see फिर इस तरह करके बढ़ जाएंगे. Then it is like this as then now when they jointed in a real plasma membrane, that this is separate out, in here it is separate out, or this plasma membrane is again jointed to each. Now this becomes the food vacuole, means food is inside the amoeba. This is one method. Have you people understand?
Yes.
Secondly, this is the second method, invagination. Where the food is touches the body, there starts the formation of, then membrane goes inside. Here the food is touches with it. At that place, this tube-like structure is formed and this food goes inside. This is like this. Here, food is here. After that, they meet with each other. They meet with each other and it is pinches out inside and become the food vacuole. समझ आ गया दूसरा मेथड? पहले मेथड से की फर्क है, they wrap the food. Here there is formation of the tube. Difference is this. Here, third method. Here is food. Here is food vacuole, food particles. They invade. Here the food invagination takes place, but it becomes the part of the cytoplasm. Okay. Next is pinocytosis. What is the meaning of pinocytosis? When they take the liquid food, that is called the pinocytosis. Pinocytosis means it moves inside. When some liquid food is touches it, there becomes the food. Clear? समझ आ गया? Then next method is circumambulation. You have seen circumflens. Write down the circumflens method. Here is the circumflens method. When the food touches, it again moves inside and there is formation of such type of cavity pit, and same processes takes place. It deeper down and its plasma membrane is attached with each other and they become the food vacuole. Ultimate aim of is ingestion means intake of the food. These are the all methods how they take the food inside. हैव यू अंडरस्टैंड? अच्छे समझ आ गई है? ठीक है. Next is one method is more, that is the lipophagocytosis, invagination. Invagination. This is simple method. When the food touches the this plasma membrane, this moves inside, and there is formation of cup-shaped structure. Sometimes it is a abruptly moved inside. कई बार ये बीच ट्यूब बन जाती है. जेड़ा मैं कुछ लिखा रही है इन्वेजिनेशन, ये बीच की बनना है cup-like structure. और this food goes inside the and become as a food vacuum. अच्छा क्लियर हो गया कि खाना अंदर चला गया. नेक्स्ट स्टेप दैट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज digestion. Now how the food is digested? Digestion process means complex food. Definition of digestion is complex food change into simple food, simple form. Means complex food change into simple form means write down if protein is there. Protein is a structural food which form the structures. ठीक है. इन्हें सिंपल फॉर्म की बन जाना है अमाइनो एसिड. समझ आ गया बेटा? नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? When protein changes into amino acid and fat changes into fatty acid. Fatty acid, that is it's a simple form. Clear? Then polysaccharides change into monosaccharides. Means glycogen change into glucose. That is fructose. मतलब glycogen change into glucose, fructose, galactose. That is it's a simple form. Means मतलब क्या हो गया कि एक चेन है बड़ी, उन छोटा छोटा ब्रेक कर दिया. That is called it's a digestion. How they break? By the taking of the water. ठीक है. Now process of digestion is also very interesting. We देते हैं. Now food is inside the body of the amoeba. Here we have seen food is inside the amoeba. Now how they digest? This is they have intracellular digestion. Which digestion? Intracellular. Intracellular. What is this intracellular digestion? Let it be this. This is amoeba. Or food vacuole is here. This is food vacuole. Or no doubt there is a cytoplasm. And digestion is intracellular means inside the cell. Digestion is takes place inside the cell. How this takes place? That is takes place with help of lysosomes. Intracellular digestion is with help of lysosomes. Now you can see the lysosome. This lysosome contains digestive enzymes. Digestive have you understand?
Yes.
Food vacuole, there appear the lysosome. These fuse with each other. In next step, or they contain the digestive juice, yeah, digestive enzymes. Digestive juice you can write. जिस तरह suppose करो कि खाना खादा साढ़े मूँह च चला गया कि ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਅਟੈਚ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ salivary amylase. What is this salivary amylase? ਥੁੱਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ? Salivary amylase. What is that? That is the enzyme, digestive enzyme. Like same that they have digestive enzymes, like protease, which change the proteins into amino acids, like lipase, which change the fats into fatty acids. ठीक है? Like polysaccharides to monosaccharides. जिस तरह साढ़े मूँह ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਲਾਈਵਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ amylase. What the amylase do? They break down the starch into, starch is a carbohydrate. It change the ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਰਦਾ starch ਨੂੰ change into ਕਿਹਦੇ ਚ ਬਦਲ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ maltose ਤੇ isomaltose. ठीक है? Same ऐसे तरह ही digestive juices they do this function. In next step, they become the one. ठीक है? समझ आया बेटा कि lysosome and food vacuole they are attached with each other. In next step, it start digesting the food. This food is now broken into liquid form or simple form. Means ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ protein change into amino acid. ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ it is very interesting ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਸੁਣੋ. Like in our body, in our mouth, there is a alkaline food which is digested. पेट ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ acidic food. ਕਿਉਂ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ HCl ਬਣਦਾ ਨਾ ਤੇ acidic food ਆ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ then intestine ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ alkaline. Same ऐसे तरह ही here there is start of the alkaline, then is acidic, then again alkaline. ਹੁਣ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਸਮਝਣੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਾਰਬੋਹਾਈਡਰੇਟਸ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਿਸ ਮੀਡੀਅਮ ਚ ਡਾਈਜੈਸਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ alkaline ਵਿੱਚ. ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨਸ ਹੈ they digest in acidic medium. Again last the acidic base सब they are digested in the intestine. Carbohydrates भी, proteins भी, lipids भी, सारा कुछ. Same that pattern they also digest the food. Now this food along with they become changed into simple form. Food simple form. Simple form to बदल गया. That is the digestion. I have already told you. Complex food change into
Simple
form. Now they are simple. Up to here, digestion is takes place. clear at digestion. Now what next? Next is absorption. खाना खाना क्यों? एनर्जी कितना मिलेगी जब सेल उन्होंने absorb. Now this food is digested food. Now that digested food is move into outside and merge into the cytoplasm because around it is as इस तरह से देखते हैं सब जगह पे cytoplasm ही है ना सारा जो डॉट डॉट है. Now they become the part of cytoplasm. This is called the absorption. Last, next step is assimilation. Next is assimilation. In this step, they are absorbed into cytoplasm. ठीक है? In assimilation, now it becomes the part of the body. Like मान लो किसी भी टिश्यू किसी साइड तो ब्रेक कर दी ਉਹਦੀ plasma membrane. That is repaired by this absorbed food. क्योंकि मान लो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਹਦੀ ਬਣੀ ਦੀ ਹੈ प्रोटीन ਦੀ. प्रोटीन ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ absorb ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬਣਾ ਦੂਗੀ. Understand? That is called the assimilation. Now last. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਖਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਢੀਠ ਉਹ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਿਆ ਪਚਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਬਣਨਾ. So what you have to do? Thrown out of the body. इस तरह से अपनी feces जाने हैं, latrine जाने हैं, तो we have to thrown it out like same pattern. Amoeba also thrown that undigested food out. How now it do? That is called the digestion. How they do this? Now understand the process. After the absorption, assimilation, क्या हो गया? This amoeba. Now this food vacuum. ठीक है? This food vacuum along with lysosome. खाना जड़ा है वो अंदर मैं नहीं पूछना. ठीक है? That is not changed into simple forms. That remain inside. वो तो निकल गया ना बाहर. Now this food is here. With help of cytoplasm movement. क्योंकि cytoplasm एक जगह दे नहीं रहता. और इसलिए सारा cytoplasm देखते हैं. And here it moves from one place to another place. That is called cyclosis. Movement of the cytoplasm. That is called the cyclosis. With help of cyclosis, this food, undigested food, they touches this plasma membrane inside. Clear? Yes. When it touches here the breakdown of the plasma membrane, and this undigested food is come out of the body, and amoeba move here away from this undigested food. Now it is get rid of undigested food. This is called the Digestion. Now all the processes are clear with you?
Yes.
पक्का गल है ना?
Yes.
दोबारा समझाने की तो नहीं लोड़. Now next process that is called the करवाओ अगला ना. Next process is osmoregulation. What is this osmoregulation? Osmoregulation जिस तरह अपना excretion आप पढ़ने हैं. Excretion पढ़े ना अपन. हाँ, now first small one we can do respiration. How the respiration is takes place? यह amoeba है ना? यह किधर अंदर? पानी के अंदर. From where oxygen move inside and carbon dioxide move outside. ठीक है? जब अंदर चला जाता है, which food which they have digested with them. Okay होएगा? That is break down into carbon dioxide. जिस तरह यह अपने जो यह ही ਹੁੰਦਾ है. इस तरह C6H12. This is glucose. Ultimately, food is changed into glucose along with oxygen. जड़ी इन्हें बाहरों ले लिया. ठीक है? It is changed into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. With this food, कहने ना सी रोटी खाओ तो सानू एनर्जी मिलेगी. वो यही प्रोसेस है जिसके नाल सानू एनर्जी. क्लियर है ना? यही प्रोसेस है कि प्रेजेंस च ऑक्सीजन. जो ऑक्सीजन ना होए तो एनर्जी नहीं. हाँ, मिल सकती है एनारोबिक, बिल्कुल छोटी सी, थोड़ी सी. क्लियर है? विद ऑक्सीजन. दिस रिएक्शन इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. इवन साडे च भी यही रिएक्शन. How? That's why we need this oxygen. We take it from the air. They take it from the water. They take it from the water. This is clear. This is through the diffusion process. Diffusion process. एक चीज और ध्यान में समझने वाली है, बिना समझाऊंगी. उन्हें ऑक्सीजन अंदर क्यों आती है तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर क्यों आती है? ये प्रोसेस कितनी है? इनसाइड द सेल, इनसाइड द अमीबा. अमीबा एक सेल है ना. ये सारा प्रोसेस कितना होता है? अमीबा के अंदर. दैट मींस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूसिंग इनसाइड. अंदर बनेगी ना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ये बाहर पानी साफ है तो इट हैज less carbon dioxide. Inside is oxygen is now consuming. Under oxygen the quantity cut. That's why it moves from high concentration to low concentration. From high concentration to low concentration. ठीक है? Gases moves from higher concentration to lower concentration. अंदर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज़्यादा है, it moves from inside to outside. साढ़े च भी पुत्र इस तरह ही है ना. जेड़ी सी बाहर हवा लेने हैं, साफ लेने हैं, तो साढ़े अंदर की करते हैं सेल ब्लड की ले लेंदा ऑक्सीजन. तो वो ब्लड च की होंदी है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज़्यादा. वो हवा की सेम लाइट के दे विच. क्लियर है सारा? This is called the respiration. Next is excretion.
Drug abuse.
हाँ जी.
Drug abuse.
2 मिनट चेक करा. Then is excretion. 2 मिनट. What is this excretion? Removal of nitrogenous waste matter. तीन तरह के वेस्ट मैटर होंगे है जर्नल केड़ा अमोनिया यूरिया यूरिक एसिड ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਐਕਸਕ੍ਰੀਟ ਕਰਨੇ ਆ यूरिया ह्यूमन बीइंग्स या mammals mostly excrete which is out of water they excrete the
यूरिया
birds they uric acid because it is not a toxic one ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਹੱਡੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਯੂਰਿਕ ਐਸਿਡ ਬੈਠ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਹਿਲਦੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਆਰਥਰਾਈਟਸ 'ਚ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਹਿਲਦੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਵਤੇ that is ammonia this is a toxic one or they need the huge water now you see the water is with them ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਐਕਸਕ੍ਰੀਟ ਅਮੋਨੀਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬਥੇਰਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ they live in fresh water so this is a ਹੁਣ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਇਹ ਫਿਰ as a diffusion from out of the water ammonia this is a gas as a diffusion come out of the water this is the excretion anything do you want to ask कुछ नहीं समझ आया पूछना चाह रहे हो you are welcome this is clear to everyone
yes